morning, everyone. It is currently 11:30 in the morning, and me and my cousin woke up at 10:30, and I finished getting ready. The others have not gotten ready. I think my sister's getting ready, but the others haven't got out of bed and stuff. But I'm currently editing another YouTube video for y'all. But today the plan is to leave the house around 12 or 1 to go to the beach today. And we'll see how that goes, because we were actually supposed to leave the house around 10-11, but no one woke up because we slept so late last night. So we changed the time to 12 to 1. So we'll see if we all get out the house by that time. But I'll update you guys a little later once everyone's up and getting ready. We're on our way to the beach now, and we forgot everything at home. Whoa. we're taking a pit stop at buc-ees, and we're just getting snacks and like food and stuff for... Stop. What's wrong with you? But anyways, it's so big. I've seen this all on TikTok. Well, they have a... Anyways, I'll see you guys.
Hello everyone. We're in Galveston, Texas now. Ready to go to the beach. Ready to go to the beach. And we're at buc-ees. 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 This store is huge. They so bougie. I love their bathrooms here. It's so nice. She said you can take a poop in private.
She says she loves their big toilet bowl, so go valang mga kan. Go hang out yourself.
We don't like that type of talking. You have to talk like this.
Bakal.
They're arguing at buc-ees. But we're finding food right now to eat because we didn't pack anything. We forgot the chairs as well. We forgot to bring water and stuff, so we're just finding ways to spend more money here. Guys, I'm so cold. This store is huge.
Guys, let me tell you guys something. Mana batuk na complete tam to pala kan quality akan te
Na manage yung lunch na aircon ha. Dito na guest pool he ano nila dito na control.
Well, because I always been the driver, and then I never. You wanna know?
Well, you don't let us drive your new car.
Did you even ask? You wanna know?
You said
did
no.
you even ask?
No, so I was like, oh,
did
she
you
doesn't
even
want me
ask?
to drive her car.
Did you even ask?
But I will drive on our way back.
I have to translate all of this, you know.
Oops. Oopsie. Okay. So,
Why are we walking
where? That's so
It's
ugly.
okay, we need to kill time anyways. We're gonna be there so early. Boost the underwear. Listen, you should wear this to the beach. Listen, it's so itchy. She's gonna be I love buc-ees.
Oh my goodness! A buc-ee truck.
You know what I'm saying? Like, we at buc-ees. Go get your snack. And why are you wearing a Virginia Beach shirt?
She got New York on. Okay, bye guys.
Today we're gonna be doing the ice bucket challenge. Nugget's gonna go first.
What?
Go get a bucket of ice.
Anyways, we just finished at buc-ees, and
Buc-ees.
now we're gonna go to the beach now. I think it's another like what, 30 minutes? I don't even know. But I'll do a little haul of everything we got once we get to the beach. Aloha! We are here at Galveston Beach, but what you guys can't see. Wait, Dadim. Can they see? Is it like too bright?
They can see.
Whee! Okay, it's very pretty, but
It smells like
the
dead fish.
does it actually? Oh, it does.
fish. Let's go to a different place.
We're going somewhere else.
Good. Oh, I was about to say. Good morning. No, I was about to say. America. No, I was about to say good motherfucking morning. And I realized it's not my channel. Hello, everyone. All right, now we're at the beach after driving for 3 hours straight.
Dude, we took so many stops.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
We went to buc-ees, or aka buc-ee. Buc-ee. And yeah, then we're just gonna stay here.
We were gonna drive another like what, 3 hours or an hour, but then we were
Yeah.
just like, you know what, it's fine.
At first, we were gonna go to Lake Canyon Lake, which is in close to Austin, which is like 3 hour drive. We didn't go. Imagine if we went to Canyon Lake. I think it's gonna take us 5 hours.
It took us 3 hours to get here. It's crazy.
Ay, ay, ay.
Okay. See you guys.
Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.
It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without
Shalom.
We're at the Gulf of Mexico.
How excited are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
100.
Guess what we're at?
The boardwalk.
The boardwalk. Okay, so game plan. There's no game plan.
There's a game plan.
Oh, what's the game
We're
plan?
gonna do a psychic reading.
I'm sorry. You have your portable battery?
We're gonna go psychic reading, and then I think they're gonna go on a roller coaster, and then I think we're gonna go walk near the
Gonna
water.
walk around. So are we doing the psychic reading first?
Oh my god, look at my tan, you guys. Can't really tell, but whoa.
all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat.
Anyway, we just took a picture before with the sunset and everything already. It's too loud. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. I will see you guys in the next clip. Hold on. Hello, everyone.
Go on the roller coaster.
Where we're at?
We're at the pier. We're at the Kemah boardwalk.
And we are going on the bullet roller coaster.
On the bullet.
On the bullet.
4 out of 5 of us.
I'm not going. I hate heights.
Yeah, well, they forced me, but
Do you
I'm
like
going.
heights?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this, but
Well,
we'll see you guys in the next clip about how we felt.
Wish them luck.
So we're about to go on the roller coaster, and we're taking her camera with us. So if we drop it, we're doomed. But I have it tied on my. You guys can't see it. I have it tied on my wrist. I can't believe I haven't been on a roller coaster in so long. This is so spontaneous. Like we saw it, we wanted to get on it. Now we are. Can't wait. It says don't put your arms up, but I'm gonna do that anyways. Cause what's a roller coaster without doing that?
shoot, this is a hike.
All right, we'll see you guys up there. Bye. Guys, we're about to go.
Birds of a feather, we should stick together.
best ride ever. Guys, that was such a good roller coaster. Usually I hate roller coasters. It took a picture of us. That was so crazy. It wasn't that bad. We just finished up and that was a good ride. That was kind of insane. I would do it again. That was one of the best roller coasters. I felt like I was gonna pass out for a second though. But other than that, y'all, 10 out of 10. Did it. I didn't drop the camera. You really doubted me. No, all they're gonna see. All they're gonna see is. No, I stopped like where's the photo? I just closed my eyes. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys when we get down.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell?